What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're pretty much hitting a meet here in Rancho Cucamonga. It's actually a grand opening for the homie Yoas John from Visual Auto Mart, I believe, here in Rancho off of Hermosa Drive. And they're basically just doing a full grand opening. There's a bunch of cars out here right now. Came into the shade to do this whole intro. So pretty much, guys, I'm just gonna do this. It's filler content because I'm still in the process of moving, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys an update on the garage and the new place that we're living at. It's been a journey, it's been a struggle, it's been a headache, man. Things have not gone to plan, and I'm currently still waiting on some things to happen. But we'll get to that at the end of the video. But for right now, guys, let's go ahead and check out some dope cars. There's a mixture of Porsches, BMWs, a lot of Hondas still, but there is a lot of BMWs and there is a lot of Porsches out here. So yeah, let's go ahead and mix it up a little bit, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, please like, subscribe, and let's just get to it, man. Subaru, or two Subis. Two different totally looks. Volk TE37s, titanium Grady exhaust, Carbon fiber wing. Same thing over here. I believe just on raised wheels. And then you have the Porsche with the red guts, the white interior. Pretty baller setup, man. Must be nice to have money, huh? Then you got my sister-in-law with her DB1. She's actually thinking about rebarreling these wheels, making them wider, and that way it'll fit the car a lot better. So we'll see how it all turns out here in the next couple of months. Still up in the air whether she's gonna do that or not, but we'll go ahead and see what she does. Dope little Integra no matter what. And then you got the homie David. Remember, guys, I need these wheels in my life. Even side skirts, little baby mirrors. got this Nissan hard body. I believe he drifts this car. S14, if I'm not mistaken. Sylvia front end. And then you got the famous guy over here, Camila, and his dope EJ coupe. He actually just finished it up not too long ago. Full GSR swap with the Vortex supercharger for it. Made pretty good horsepower for it being this small of a supercharger on some white T37s. And this Accord is actually going to be coming to the channel here soon once we get settled into the new garage, because I need to do some fabrication. This is a project car for him. He's the one that does a lot of my tows, so he's still working on it. He's driving now, full K swap, and we got to do the fabrication to the turbo kit. It's going to be a little bit of a work, but we'll get it done. My bad, guys. I just got finished chopping it up with the owner of that coupe, Camila. As I stated, full supercharged Vortex, and he's been working on it, and it made like 320 to the wheel. Not bad for a supercharger, and he says he loves it. Now you got this S2000, more carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber diffuser down there. I'm too big for one of these, just like I'm too big for the Del Sols. They're dope cars, but I don't know. Can I picture myself in one? I don't know. Wind in my beard, you know? These are badass CCWs. And this stockish EG SI SSR wheels. This color goes hard. Stock single cam headers, still all complete. AC unit, power steering, Mugen rep lip. It's been resprayed, I believe, but it's clean for being the years how old it is. Duckbill. Don't forget, guys, it's an EG, bro. Then you got this other homie, DB7, but I think he put a GSR in it. I'm not sure if it came with it or if he did it, but he resprayed all this in his garage a couple of years. Actually came out good. I think it was a GSR B18C, or it's a Type R. I'm a big fan of these, as you guys know, big four-door fan. EG sedan, DC, DB1, you know, EKs. And you got this dope Laguna, I believe. I believe that's the color Laguna, right? Spoon theme EG hatch. The homie JDM Inspired is leaving. Oh, and I didn't show you guys. My brother drove his car. You guys remember this car? It's a BZ Moto old wagon. K24 swapped. It'll be on nitrous. Should be hitting the dyno here next month. And hopefully, I don't know. Guy says he wants to sell it, my brother, but we'll see if he sells it or not. But if he sells it, then I ain't helping him build no more cars. Just saying. You got the homie Randy's EM1 fully shaved bay or cleaned up bay. Took off the whole AC system, everything. I believe he was selling this car, if I'm not mistaken, on the TE37s. Mag Blues. With the Recaro confetti. Then you got the homie, Scuba Steve, supercharged, K-swapped. And he actually tracks this car at Button Willows and all that. Daily drives it. Big staggered setup. Group B NCO1s in the back. And I think the front setup is 15 by 10 949s. Buddy Club P1 seats. And one thing I've always tripped out on the 949s is the dual valve stems. I don't know why you would want to put two. I mean, if anybody knows, school me on it, because I don't know. And you got another EM1. Milano Red. And some Mugen MF M7s actually. Car bucket seats. Stock motor. Alright guys, pretty much I'm going to stop talking because I don't want to get copyrighted, and we're going to go down to see some other cars. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and we'll catch you guys at the end of the video. You got Scooby Steve, you got Joey from the Chronicles, you got Yo's John, John's Sylvia.
Bro, the dude who had this first ordered it from Beverly Hills BMW. Had it for, yeah, honey.
This is a dope CRX. Fully tracked out, track light fenders. Gutted. That's dope. Big fan of it. Old school EA. I don't know about the Integra steering wheel, but it's a Honda though. Laguna EG. Right hand drive SIR. EG in the back, black one. Not too shabby. Alright guys, so there's a lot of copyright music in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue, just update, and hopefully we'll see some other cars back there. I haven't checked the back yet, so we're gonna be walking back there. This is a badass BMW X Drive. All-wheel drive M3.
It's perfect spec for my opinion.
The interior was black. It'd be dope.
Heads-up display, installed
Police rolled up. Bouncing. No issues. Then you got the myth, the man, the legend. Fresh kicks right there. Rest of that chaser. TJ. I don't know what the hell it is. 1J, 2J. I wouldn't mind having one of these. Manual conversion, manual. Then you got a Supra. I believe this car is always on Fresh Kicks, his channel. Big drag pack on the back. It's dope. Right-hand drive also. Not too broke for a Supra. I need one of these in my life, man. FL5.